Are you tired of the same old advice that leaves you stuck in the rat race? What if I told you there are wealth secrets the school system actively avoids teaching? Secrets that could unlock a life of financial freedom and abundance? In this video, I'm diving deep into those forbidden lessons. Buckle up because your financial future is about to change. Secret number one, the myth of the safe job. They drill into us that a secure job is the ultimate goal. But what happens when that job disappears? What then? The reality is, true security comes from building assets that generate income, whether you're working or not. Think of real estate, stocks, or even a successful online business. It's about creating multiple streams of income, so one setback doesn't wipe you out. Ever heard the expression, don't put all your eggs in one basket? This is that, financially speaking. Speaking of investments, which leads us to wealth secret number two, debt is not always your enemy. Wait, what? Did I just say that? Yes, I did. Because there's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt drains your resources. Think high-interest credit cards and unnecessary loans. Good debt, on the other hand, invests in your future. Think a mortgage on a property you rent out or a loan to start a profitable business. It's about using leverage wisely. But here's the kicker. The key is understanding the difference and managing it effectively. Otherwise, you'll be digging yourself into a hole you can't get out of. Wealth secret number three, and this one's a biggie, the power of financial literacy. How many of you feel truly confident reading a financial statement? Be honest, schools teach us algebra, but not how to budget or invest. This is a deliberate blind spot. Financial literacy is your superpower. It allows you to make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and avoid costly mistakes. Start learning about investing, taxes, and wealth management. It might seem daunting, but even small steps can make a huge difference. Which brings us to a huge point. Wealth secret number four. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. In other words, compounding interest. Now I know what you're thinking. Compounding sounds boring, right? Trust me, it's the financial equivalent of magic. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small, consistent investments can turn into substantial wealth over time. The stock market is a roller coaster, but you'll never reach the highs if you get off. So how long will you put this off? And finally, wealth secret number five, invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in your own skills and knowledge. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more financial ideas.